Today I will show you, how do you use padding and margin in Elementor. Padding and margin are two fundamental concepts in web design and CSS that control the spacing around HTML elements. Understanding the difference between the two is crucial for designing well-structured and aesthetically pleasing web pages. Padding is the space between the content of an element and its border. It creates a buffer area inside the element, pushing the content inward. Padding is part of the element's box model and affects the element's size. Margin is the space outside the border of an element. It creates a buffer area between the element and other elements on the page. Margins are also part of the box model but do not affect the element's size.